I'm a nurse pero dugyot. Ang inang nurse yan. Yo. Nice sir. Chat, 100%. If you're with me, you will survive. You guys hear that? You want a head? You want a head? Whoa! Oy! Ohayo gozaimasu! Hajime mashite! Okay guys, question. When will the Philippines get a proper transportation system? Hashtag Taylor Swift ready. Okay guys, I'm gonna need your fucking help here. Sometimes, it's better to help each other, okay? So you're gonna help me out. Puta na, kalbo na naman. So the deal is, what's the deal guys? The deal is the dildo. Uy, puta na yan! What? What the fuck? Oh shit, that was an anomaly. Please check for electric signs. Open the fucking door, bitch. Okay, guys, you need to help me out. No anomalies. Okay, so far so good. No anomalies. No anomalies. No anomalies, right? Okay, we keep walking. Door open, please. Open! Oh, fuck. Oh, God. Oh, my God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Please, please. Wait. What is this? Guys, but my left. What? Oh, hell no. Shibal, what the f was that? Oh my god. Open door. Yeah, there's a kid in the train, chat. He's just standing there. Hello? Oh no. I have no time for I ain't got no time for this. Let me out of here. Let me out of here! Please! I don't wanna deal with kids! Abort! Hi. Find me. What do you mean find me? Hell no. Why should I find her? Oh my god. She's in the door. Ina, spy siguro to. Let's go. Hi. I don't like this. I'm stuck. Oh my god. Please let me go. Please let me go. Please. Oh my god, please let me go. Please stop. Hey, let me go. Please. Get me out of here. Don't move when it is bright. What? No, I don't like this. Please. I hate these games, man. 8, 9, 4. What the f does that mean? Wait, what does that mean, chat? Somebody explain. 8, 9, 4. So we go 8 times 9, right? 72. And then 8, 9, 4. Tapos up, right, down. 619, 369 by Rey Mysterio. Hey, bitch, I know you know something here, you fucking bulb. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ang galing niya talaga. Ang galing nyo, tangina kayo. Yeah, we're not gonna get through this. We're gonna be stuck in this train forever. It's a door. Knock 8, go back. Knock 9, go back. And knock 4, the door will open. Where? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I knew it. I fucking knew it. From the start. You guys hear that? Yoko na, magbabalorant na lang kaya ako, guys. Valorant na lang tayo, mga kaibigan. F*** it, we're speedrunning this game. Come on, let's end it. Uy, tangina, pinicture ako. That shit. Hey, stop that. Hey, stop. Hey, why are you recording me? Hey, stop that. Hey, guys. Oh my gosh. Stop that. I'm camera shy. Stop. What the fuck? Whoa. No. What the hell? Why can't I leave? I thought I'm supposed to go back when it's wrong. Attack on Titan. Don't move when it is bright. It's this fucking bitch again. I have to deal with kids, man. This is why I don't want to have kids. Okay. Just chill, man. I don't want to do this. Please. Oh. We're good, boys. We're good, boys. Hey! Hey! Fuck you, Drake! Aha! That's how you deal with... Let me out. Let me fucking out. Let me fucking out. What am I to do with that? Chat, do we just outrun it? Chat, what do we do with that? Ah! Fuck! Ah! Ah! Dude, no, no! Stop! Stop! Ah! You have to look at it. Okay. Son of a bitch! I'm tired of dealing with girls. So hard. It's always the girls that get me hard. So, what the fuck? The train! Holy moly! Whoa! What's happening? Keep your eyes on the white lady. Oh, yeah. I love white ladies. What do we do, guys? Do we vibrate as well? I mean, I can do that too. So wait, what do? We don't touch them? Okay, we don't. Okay. Easy. Fucking easy, man. Look at him. He's so dumb, bro. Look at him. Yeah, that's right. Keep vibrating, bitch. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa! 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 What the hell? Wow, what is he doing? Whoa, where's his head? He's got no head. Oh shit, he's just open the fucking door. He's coming. Open the goddamn door! Open the goddamn door! What do you want? What do you want, Jack? Oh my god, you want a head? You want a head? You want a head? Just let me out! What do I do? Oh god, please, just let me go, please. Bitch, I'm out of here! Woo! Easy, no sweat. Oh. Whoa! Oh! 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 Oh my god! Oh! What the fuck? Oh my god. Whoa, ba't ang daming kamay? That's a lot of hands. Ano na, handjob ako gago. Wait, what did he do? I don't get it. Okay, let's speedrun this game, boys. Why is he gone? Where did he go? What? Oh shit, code red. What do I do? Chat, whoever moves first is gay? Oh, fuck. English or Spanish ang puta. Fuck, the door's locked. Fuck. Wait, why this one has a gap? Do I sit beside him, chat? The door's open. Can get the fuck out of here. Speedrun. This game's so easy. Holy shit! Wow, what the fuck is that? What? I have enough handouts for the day, chat. That's enough. Whoa, what do I do here? Hello, sir. What do you need? What do you need? He's just standing there. What do? Boo! 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 I should stop fucking around and finding out. I need to stop doing that, guys. Just don't look at him, I guess. Yep, we're good. Chat, should I look back? Should I look back, guys? I am so intrusive thoughts. No, we're not doing that. We're not doing that. I'm not that dumb, chat. Wait, this is a signage. Do not proceed to the next car until the anomaly in this car has disappeared. What anomaly? Oh, there it is. Hey, I'm so good. I'm so good. Hey, yeah. Chat, 100%. If you're with me, you will survive. Anomaly has disappeared. Another anomaly. Let's find. Okay, find the anomaly. Isn't that the anomaly? Sansa desu ka? Yeah, chinchin ka daisuki nandayo. Whoa, what the fuck? Hi. Manko desu ne. Why is this open? Can I actually jump down here? Alright, let's not do that. Why would I step out? Why would I do that? Intrusive thoughts, man. Okay, more anomalies. Yo. Nice dick, sir. Oh, that's creepy. What the what the shit? Boo! Just kidding, wala naman pala. More anomalies. Do not proceed to the next car until the anomaly in this car has disappeared. Shibuya anomalies. Is it real? Ah! Why do I always get scared at the wrong times, guys? Like, when I get scared, I'm not ready. I'm gonna run. Shit, shibal. I don't like this, I'm gonna speedrun this game, bro. Fuck it, man, I'm done, chat. We're speedrunning. Why? I don't want to go there. Oh my god! Just let me out of this place! Where's Rengoku-san when I need him? Mugen train na puta. Oh shit, it's the light. Go bullet train. That shit, I'm out, man. Holy fuck. Are we going to heaven? No way, are we going to heaven, chat? Mga kaibigan, nagsasama tayong lahat. Ngayon, pupunta tayong lahat sa langit. Deserve nyo lahat. Pumunta sa langit, mga kaibigan. Amen. Do I jump here? Do I just jump here? Fuck it, let's go. Let's go! We're going to heaven, boys. Gago, road to heaven pala to eh.